I want to show you how to make fast day in a life videos called vlogs. I'm going to show you how to do a 15-second vlog in something called InShot. So let me show you my screen. Let me open the InShot app. Do like a behind the scenes, or you want to do like a super fun quote. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to pick the videos that you want to do. This is when I went to Vegas. So let's make a quick vlog. Start picking out when I arrived there. I'm also going to pick this one. We went to the restaurant. We were walking in the restaurant. So that's all I'm doing. I am picking all of the fun videos and I press OK. So here comes the part. You have to be ruthless with your editing. I know that you really want to see and showcase every single part of it, but it's okay if not everything shows up. So for example, so that video right there, that's 2 seconds. I can make that 1 second. So I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna split it so I can delete it. So now that is not even a second, it's 0.9 seconds. So you still get the idea of, okay, we just saw each other and we hugged each other, but it doesn't have to be 2 full seconds, because imagine 2 seconds and you have 20 things to show, it adds up. So let's look at this. This is a boomerang. So I'm gonna cut it right here. Let's see how long that is. That's a second, so let me make it a little shorter. This is us walking in. So I'm gonna make this a little shorter, 1 second. So let's look what so far we have. So that's super cute. So this one I'm probably going to split right here. And really what you want to do with these is showcase your day. So you're telling a story with these small clips. So what happened in the beginning, what happened in the end, what happened in the middle, what's the juicy part. So that's really what you're looking for. So let's look again. Right here, walk out. So even that is a little too long. So let's look now. So see, now it's like 1 second versus a whole 10-second video. This, I'm gonna split it right there and speed it up. So there's something right here on the speed. You can make it just a tiny bit more, just faster, so we can just get that mood. So now everything's coming together. I'm gonna split this because I don't want evidence of me drinking that and taking a shot. So this one I'm gonna move to the front. This one's 4 seconds, so let's split this one too. So if you take a look, everything is pretty much 1 second. This one I'm gonna speed it up because I want all of it in. It's 2 seconds. So as you do that, you continue to split them into 1 second. If you want the whole thing, speed it up a little bit. Here, same thing. We're gonna make this 1 second. Okay, so let's take a look at the end. Okay, let's go. Okay, so even that, a few of the 1 second ones are a little too long. That's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna download it. I like to personally download it in 4K resolution. Just now what we're gonna do is put it into Instagram. So in Instagram, there's so many different ways that you can do this. You can add the date of what it is that you posted. You can add some type of caption like a day in my life, or Sunday vlog, Sunday fun day, Sunday cleanup. And once you do that, there are other options. You can do some type of sticker on top, or a quote, or just leave it. I am gonna give you one quick tip, which is if you want that darkness, like kind of like that moody feeling, let me show you how to do that. So waiting. Okay, so now that it's saved, let's go into Instagram and you're gonna put reel. So once you're in reel, upload that video. and we're gonna add a trending audio. I have most of them saved, but where it says for you, that's usually what is trending. You can also go to new releases, any of that stuff. Let's put my fun Latin song, and I'm gonna preview it. Cute. So here is what I was telling you. You can go into font and add some type of decor, like a line. And add like something like super fun like that. Or you can do this. Let's say that I really want to post this. This is a quote that I did, let's just say, and I really want to post it. So I'm going to go into the photos and copy it. And I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to add that sticker. And now, not only is it a vlog, but it's a super fun quote. Another thing you can do is you can go into the highlighter tool. You can press black, hold it, and now you have like a moody type, like contrasted video with your main message. So let's say you want to do that, and then you write your etc. So that's another way that you can do it. Don't forget that this does not have to be complicated, just have fun with it. Worst case scenario, 15 videos, 1 second each, and then toggle them from there. Start recording yourself doing activities. I love this quote that I heard on Instagram, and he said, be the content, meaning just turn on the camera and work, be yourself. I have to do this, oh my god, I have to post this, because you're just being yourself. If you just start working in front of the camera and just turning on your phone, you will be surprised on how bomb your content will be and how much more confidence in yourself you will have having this content that gives a lot of value to your audience. So I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next video.